Welcome to our video, Understanding Google Trends for YouTube Video Achievement. In the always advancing universe of YouTube content creation, remaining on the ball is fundamental. One incredible asset that can give your channel the edge it needs is Google Trends. What is Google Trends? Google Trends is a free internet-based device given by Google that tracks and breaks down the notoriety of search questions on Google. It gives bits of knowledge into what individuals are looking for, while they're looking for it, and where the ventures are coming from. This information can be a gold mine for YouTube content makers, hoping to grasp their crowd's advantages and make content that is both pertinent and opportune. That's what the next question is: why is Google Trends significant for YouTubers? Content significance. By utilizing Google Trends, YouTubers can distinguish moving subjects and catchphrases connected with their specialty. This takes into consideration the making of content that isn't simply significant, but additionally prone to catch the consideration of a bigger crowd. Occasional substance. Google patterns can feature occasional patterns, like occasions, or explicit seasons. For example, knowing when school year kickoff looks through Pinnacle, or when individuals begin searching for occasion gift farts, can assist you with arranging your substance schedule. Geological experiences. Google Patterns gives area explicit information, which can be significant if your substance takes care of explicit districts or socioeconomics. You can adjust your substance to the inclinations and interests of your main interest group. Cutthroat examination. It additionally empowers you to think about the fame of various catchphrases and subjects. This assists in understanding the serious scene and picking catchphrases that have the right equilibrium of search volume and context. Utilizing Google Trends for YouTube achievement. In this video, we'll direct you through the down-to-earth steps of utilizing Google Trends. Catchphrase exploration. Find how to find high-performing watchwords and search terms connected with your specialty. Content preparation. Figure out how to coordinate moving subjects and occasional bits of knowledge into your substance methodology. Geo-focusing on. Comprehend how to fit your substance to explicit geographic districts in light of patterns. Cutthroat investigation. Get bits of knowledge into surveying the opposition and adjusting your substance to stick out. Whether you're a carefully prepared YouTuber hoping to help your channel's exhibition or a novice beginning without any preparation, Google Patterns can be a unique advantage. Toward the finish of this video, you'll have the information and abilities to outfit the force of Google Patterns for YouTube video achievement.